What's up, guys? So today, are you excited?
Yeah.
Today, I'm going to teach Zach how to drive a manual. He's never owned a manual car, and I'm just trying to help a friend out. So we'll see how this one goes. Alright guys, so we parked off in a bigger subdivision close to my house, somewhere where there's not a lot of people, not a lot of traffic, you know, a great place to learn with some nice long streets where you can actually get through a couple gear. Alright, so to start this off, just turn the car off. I just want you to like get a feeling of how to actually like put the clutch in with your left foot. It feels kind of weird. So this right now, obviously you're in the center neutral. You know how this is. This it being a 5-speed, since you have reverse right here, it's not, you can't shift into it while you're driving.
You have to push
So
down
like no, this one you don't have to push down or up, but it locks out. You can't at like a certain speed or whatever, you can't pull it back.
Right.
So that's nice. All right, so to practice this, just practice putting clutch in, put it into first gear, and then slowly let out the clutch and then push the gas. You want to have enough gas so you don't stall, but you don't want to give it too much where you're jumping
right.
in and you're just doing a burnout as soon as you start. And then once we turn the car on, you'll be able to like feel that bite point. You know, the whole length of the clutch is not where it's slowly releasing. There's like only a little section of that actually where the clutch engages.
Right.
Yeah. Right. So yeah, push the clutch in, turn it on, and also your e-brake is on. That's your parking brake.
No burnouts.
All right, so just let the clutch out. Don't even gas it yet. Just let the clutch out extremely slow. You will feel that bite point. It'll catch, and you will move a couple miles an hour. Yeah, you feel that you're moving just a tiny bit without pushing in the clutch at all. Or I'm sorry, without pushing the gas. And then slowly put the gas on, and then let go. Nice. Nice job. All right, now you're gonna do it again. You push the clutch in, pull it back to second, and slowly let off. Nice. And if you get to a point where you feel like it's like bogging a little bit,
Add more gas.
that means you need more gas. Yeah.
So I don't know speed wise where it would be.
Yeah, the speed limit here is like 25.
No, I meant speed wise for each gear. Downshift.
Oh yeah. So this is your first time driving a manual?
Yeah, manual car.
First time ever driving a manual car?
Yes.
Wow. The first time I drove a manual car, I think I was like 16, maybe 17. I learned it on an SS Camaro. My my uncle, he got one for like his work. It's like a work car, temporary, and he let me drive it, and it took me like an hour just to be able to like confidently get from stopping to first without stalling or bogging the heck out of it. Zach, I'm telling you, like, this makes it so much more fun to drive.
Oh,
like,
you're
gonna want to get a manual car now.
I can see that. I want one. I've been wanting one. I just didn't know what to get.
Yeah, like I drove a Fiesta. It was a manual Fiesta.
Mike's.
I think it was Mike's Fiesta. Yeah, and like it was more fun than like anything else I've driven. I was like, dude, like this isn't even like a crazy car, but like it's just so much fun because it's manual. You know, that's why I wanted this as a winter car, because it's like, you know, I want to be able to have fun with it and everything. Oh yeah, give it a little too much gas there, but dude, you're doing great. Honestly, I'm surprised. Way better than I did when I.
The bite point is farther back than I think.
Once you understand where that bite point's at, you're golden. I mean, you're sitting pretty.
This is a really good gate pattern too. It's not like soft.
Yeah, it feels nice. It's notchy enough that, like, you know, you actually know when it's in gear, and it's, I mean, for a Focus, it's decently tight. It's not wobbly where you're in first or second gear, just like shaking it back and forth. Don't even
trying
know if
to find it.
Yeah, don't even know if you're in neutral or not. Guys, so side note, while Zach's driving this, I cleaned this boy today. Looks absolutely much better. Not completely up to par, you know, it's a little dirty still, but you know, we'll get that one on the next cleaning. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I'm actually gonna drop a link to that video down in the description below if you guys want to check that out. All right, you can just cruise in second. Yeah, second gear in this car is a great well, most cars is a great like slower cruising speed. You can get around the sub or in a parking lot or something, or great gear for that. If you you know, you're really not going to be out of first, and you know, after like 10 miles an hour, you can go let's go straight. Nice. If you feel it kind of
Notch.
like shake a little bit, that means like the car itself.
Oh.
That means you got into gear a little bit too fast. You know, you got to go. You can go quick through the whole clutch, but once you get to that bite point, just slow it down just a tad. Yeah, but honestly, dude, you're doing absolutely phenomenal. Yeah. All right. So see that little arrow right there that just popped up? That is for if you're cruising too long in a high or in a gear and you should be a little bit higher. That's what that's for. But I don't know if it's for gas mileage or not. I've never seen that on a car before, but I don't know. I could have just not seen it. Guys, I absolutely swear that this is Zach's first time ever in the driver's seat on a manual car. Like when it was my first time, I drove I stalled it 100 times. This kid hasn't stalled once. I'm actually really shocked. But no, first time on God. All right, Zach. So 2 things I would recommend like keep out from these things. One of these things, I had an issue, not an issue, but like I kept keeping my foot on the gas just like ever so slightly when I was shifting, when I was upshifting, and I did it like a little too much, and so when I shift I go and then go into gear.
Right.
But so that's something to like look out for that I personally did wrong. And a second thing too is be careful of this. Have you ever heard of a money shift?
Yes.
So what that means is like make sure you know what gear you're shifting in. Like make sure that you're going into the right gear. Like if you're banging gears and you're going from like for this car it would be from like 3rd to 4th, and then you're cooking, you're going along, and then you go to hit it into 5th, but you don't go into 5th and you go into 3rd. That's like you instantly lose like 20-30 miles per hour through your drivetrain, and your tires just lock up, and it's just like that's why they call it a money shift, because after a couple of those it's going to cost you a lot of money to fix it. All right, guys, so I think we are going to end this video here. Let me know in the comments below, how do you think Zach did on his first time driving a manual car? Let me know. And also, give me some video ideas, guys. What do you guys want to see? What types of videos do you want to see me produce for you? And just let me know. I'd love to talk with you guys and chat about that. But I will see you in the next video. Please hit that subscribe button and have a good one.